A motherboard, also called mainboard, main circuit board, system board, base board, ladder board, logic board, or mobile, is the main circuit board inside a computer that connects the different parts of a computer together. It holds together many of the crucial components of a computer, including the central processing unit (CPU), memory, and connectors for input and output devices.
The first component is BIOS. It used to start the computer system after it is powered on, and it is also manage the data flow between computer's operating system and attached devices such as hard disk, video adapter, keyboard, mouse, and printer. Next, Cmos. It houses setting configurations and powered by the onboard battery. It is also reset and lose all the custom settings in case the battery runs out of energy. Next, CPU. It carries out the instructions of a computer program by performing the basic arithmetic, logical, control, and input or output operations specified by the instructions. Next, RAM. It determines system's performance. It gives applications a place to store and access data on a short-term basis.
In older PCs, the chipset is broken down into two main components, which is the NOT bridge and SOUT bridge. Now, the two chipsets are replaced by a single chipset, namely Platform Controller Hub. The NOT bridge manages the exchange of information with the fast components of the PC like the processor, the RAM memory. This chip also contains a large heatsink. The second chip controls the input and output function. It is not connected directly to the CPU but to the NOT bridge slot for one or more hard drives to store files. Input and output devices enable us to control the computer and display information in variety of ways. There is many ports that connect these devices to the computer, for example, the well-known USB port. An input and output port is a socket on a computer that a cable is plugged into. PCI stands for Peripheral Component Interconnect. The function of the PCI slot is to allow you to expand computer capabilities. This is computer slot that allows you to insert expansion cards into your computer. This can come in the form of sound cards, RAID cards, SSDs, graphic cards, NIC cards, coprocessors, and many more.
Next is a clock generator. A clock generator is an electronic oscillator or circuit that produces a clock signal for usage in synchronizing a circuit operation. The clock signal ranges between high and low frequencies, thus creating a metronome for the coordination of action. Next is Agp Slot. Agp was designed as a high-speed point-to-point channel for connecting a graphic card to a computer system. Primarily, it was used to assist in the acceleration of 3D computer graphics. Agp is originally designed to be a descendant of the Pci series of connection for video card, yet it was replaced by the Pci Slot. Next is DIP switch. A DIP switch is a manual electronic switch package with others in a standard dual inline package. The term may refer to an individual switch for the whole unit. The DIP switch is designed to be used on motherboard together with other electronic motherboard components. It is usually used to customize the behavior of an electronic device for specific situations.
Without it,
None of the computer pieces,
such as
CPU, GPU or hard drive could interact.
total motherboard functionality is necessary.
for a computer
to work well.